you are using ChatGPT in a wrong way. You're getting my point. So I will show you how exactly you need to use. Basically, what you do, I want to become a freelancer. Please let me know what to do. And it will give you a general script like this. Step one, pick up your direction. Choose a freelancer path. Step two, learn that skill. Don't waste 6 months studying everything. Okay. Step three, build your freelancing portfolio. Step four, create a personal brand. Step five, get 3 clients. All basic stuff. Though it is correct, but all the basic stuff. Learn how to retain and upsell clients. Build systems and scale. If you're serious, I want to fast track this journey, etc. But this is a prompt I generated exclusively from my side. Do you need this prompt? Just like this and comment ChatGPT. I will share this exclusively with you. Let me read the prompt. Hi ChatGPT, my name is, type your name and I live in your city. And this complete clear prompt. You see how big the prompt is. And now boom, skill development, month one, month two, month three, what exactly you need to learn, how much time you need to dedicate, what are the trending skills that you can pick up, free and low cost, paid and more structured, portfolio and personal branding. So how you need to build your portfolio, personal branding, LinkedIn bio, Upwork, Fiverr bio, if you want to go with that, client acquisition and lead generation. Okay, example from where you can generate leads. So cold email templates, how you can reach out to the people. Cold email template one, alternative DM, scaling and closings. I mean, sales and closing skills. Like if you don't have that, so it can act like a sales mentor for you. Service delivery and client retention, systems and scaling. And it has given you the routine like 7 to 8, what you need to do, 8 to 9, etc. Summary table. So if you need this, just like this reel and comment ChatGPT. I will share this detailed prompt with you.